Hey fellow moto travelers, want to know more about the Kappa K53? Well, here's a long-term review to help you decide if you want one, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. This is the Kappa K53 Monokey Top Case. It's compatible with the Givi Monokey mounting system, and it is very similar to the Givi E52 case, which I don't think is made anymore. The specs of this case say it holds 53 liters with a max load of 22 pounds. You can find it for around $270. I've had this case for about 3 or 4 years now, and I've mounted it on a few motorcycles. It has performed great. It has remained waterproof and kept every load dry that I've ever put into it. It has stayed secured to the bike, the lock and handle have stood the test of time, and it has joined me on many adventures. It has outlasted a lot of gear. They say that it can hold 2 full-face helmets, and as you can see, it does. These are 2 XL helmets. On my travels, I found it holds a lot of stuff, and I've used it with many different configurations. I've filled it with a backpack of stuff, with all my camping gear, and to just hold my jacket when I want to explore on foot. Another aspect I like of this case is they have an add more lighting kit for it, which I added to it. The build and construction of this case are great. It has stood the test of time and multiple trips. I still use it to this day, and there are no signs that it will be replaced soon. As you may be able to tell, I really like this top case, but there are a few things that could be improved. I wish there was something that kept the lid up when going into it. It never seems to stay up and constantly falls when packing or taking stuff out. I also wish the lock was a bit beefier. For what you pay for these cases, I'd like something that would really keep people out rather than something that's just a deterrent. So what would I rate this case? I would rate it 4.5 stars out of 5. Just a few improvements would definitely bring this case over the top. It's a great addition to any motorcycle with the proper adapter plate. Its great construction and ample storage space are key to the high score. We hope that gave you a good idea about the Kappa K53 and want to thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment or ask questions below, and please share with others if you think it might help them. Thanks for joining us this time on MotoTravelUSA. Now let's go explore.